guys, let's try to understand in-order traversal of a binary tree today. So in-order traversal, how it works? Actually, there will be root node and left node and right node. So in-order traversal should be like first left node will come and then root and then right. So let us try to traverse this given tree in in-order traversal. So from root you enter into its left node and again its left node till you reaches the left node which doesn't have any change. So in our case in-order traversal could be 4 and its root 2 and its right. So left subtree is done for node 1. So now 1 will come and then its right. Once you come to right node is 3 and 3 has its left 6 doesn't have any change. So 6 will come here and then 3 and then its right 7. So by this time all the nodes are traversal. Coming to coding part, here we are using actually iteration method and we are using stack to iterate it. So we are just in order to take the root node and we are taking the stack as and we are taking the current node to traverse it. We are initializing with the root node currently. Now while we are iterating everything, all the nodes actually, so the condition should be like C should not be null and S should not be empty. Till that time actually we need to iterate it. Currently C is not null because we initialize with the root node. So we can see like take the stack here. Currently what happened? C we are pushing the C has root node 1, correct? So 1 will be pushed here and then C left node will be 2, correct? Again it will go here, C is not equal to null, again it will iterate it. So 2 will come on top of the 1, again it will go here. Now C left, 2's left will be 4. So again it will go here, C is not null, then 4 will be pushed into our stack. So this become C become next time, 4's left will be null, so C become null. So it will break the loop and it will come out. From the stack actually the top element is 4. So it will be popped up. 4 will be popped from the stack and current element has 4 now. So 4 will be printed here. Now C left, C right actually. So current node is 4 right is also null. So it will go here. C is null actually, so it will be, this condition will be failed and stack is not empty. Stack already has 2 nodes, correct? So again it will come back. This condition will be failing and then it will come back. It will take the top stack top node. Stack top is node 2 and then it will print 2 here and then C will become 2's right, that means 5. Now C will have 5 and stack will be popped to second element now. C is now 5. Again it will check but the C is not equal to null and S is not empty. Again it will come back. C is not equal to null, yes. And we are going to check the element 5 here. So element 5 will be pushed here and then C left is null, right? So again this particular loop will be break and then now C equal to stack top element is 5. Again 5 will be printed here and this element will be removed from the stack. Now C equal to 5 element right. So this is again null. This again will break. Again stack is not empty. It will come back to C. C currently null. So this condition also will be breaking and C's top will be now 1 element 1. So 1 will be printed and C becomes C right. 1 element right will become 3 now. So C is not equal to null and S is empty now. C is not equal to null since S will be pushed to 3. 3 will be pushed here and then C left means 3 left will be 3 left will be 6 element. Again it will push to 6 here. and 6 left become null, so it will C become null, so it will come back to here. See, top will be 6 again now, so 6 will be printed here, and 6 right will be nothing is there, null element, so it will again breaks the element, and S is not empty till, so this will be broken, and S top currently will become 3, so 3 will be popped here, and C's right, that means 3 right will become 7. Now current element will become 7. Again it will iterate here. S is empty but C is not null. Again it will check here. C is not equal to null, but 7 will be pushed to here. And C's right left also null, so nothing will be pushed and it will come back. And C top is becoming 7. So 7 will be popped from the stack, and 7 will be printed here, and C right will be null, so it will be broken. This loop will be broken, and then it will be ended with, this is the inner traversal of the given tree using stack. Thank you.